Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a fall decor piece. I started by putting some stones in the bottom of the base of this pail because I just wanted to give it some feet, make it sturdy. And then I was going to wrap the burlap over the styrofoam that I had placed in the container. And now I am putting my moss around and securing that with floral pins. Next, I'm going to trim up some greenery I had, and I'm going to place that in the styrofoam. Next, I'm going to work on my pumpkin. I wanted to stack 2 pumpkins, so I had these wooden floral sticks. So I'm going to put that at the bottom of the pumpkin and put it in a slant. And here I'm working on the second pumpkin. I'm also going to put that at a slant as well. Next, I'm placing fall leaves and fall berries that I had, and I'm just placing them around the arrangement. And next I had a fall pick I had purchased from the Dollar Tree, so I'm just cutting that apart and I'm going to place it around the arrangement. Now I'm cutting up some fall leaves I had and I'm placing that around the arrangement as well. I had these sticks I thought would be really perfect for this fall arrangement. I used the floral sticks I had along with some floral tape to insert this into the styrofoam. Here I'm just looking it over to see what else I wanted to add to the arrangement. I did end up adding a few more sticks and I thought it was good to go. Thank you so much for watching and happy fall!